25 Best Places to Visit Dubai. Welcome to the magic of Dubai, a city that merges modern culture with history, adventure with world-class shopping and entertainment. Let's explore the top 25 places that make it a traveler's paradise. At the top of the list is the stunning Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. It offers breathtaking views of Dubai with its 148th floor observation deck. For those who love history, the Dubai Museum is a must-visit. Housed within the 200-year-old Al Fahidi Fort, the museum showcases the Emirates' rapid progression from a fishing village to a global city. Next, explore the glamour of Dubai at the Dubai Mall. It's not just a shopping mall, but a gigantic entertainment complex with over 1,200 shops, a gigantic ice rink, a virtual reality park, and an indoor theme park. Right next to the Dubai Mall is the Dubai Fountain, the world's largest choreographed fountain system. The spectacular performances, which occur daily, are a sight to behold. One of Dubai's most iconic structures is the Burj Al Arab, known for its distinctive sail-shaped silhouette. It's a marvel of modern architecture and offers an ultra-luxury experience. Jumeirah Mosque, one of the most beautiful mosques in Dubai, is also worth a visit. Its intricate artistry is a perfect example of Islamic architecture. Don't miss out on the Palm Jumeirah, a man-made island that is one of Dubai's architectural triumphs. It's home to some of Dubai's most luxurious resorts, including the Atlantis, the Palm. Dubai's traditional side is best experienced in the Al Fahidi Historic District. With its narrow lanes and wind towers, it offers a nostalgic view of Dubai's past. Then, there's the Dubai Opera, a 2,000-seat multi-format venue for operas, ballets, concerts, and productions. The though-shaped building is a masterwork of contemporary design. Enjoy the serenity of the Dubai Creek, where you can take a traditional Abra ride or dine on a though cruise for a unique experience. The Gold Souk is a must-visit for jewelry lovers, featuring over 300 retailers. It's one of the most reputable and the best places to buy gold in the world. Next, visit the Dubai Frame, an architectural landmark that offers panoramic views of old and new Dubai. It's a great place to see the city's evolution. For adventure seekers, there's the Dubai Desert Conservation Reserve. Here, you can go on a desert safari, ride a camel, or try sandboarding. The Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo is an incredible place. It houses thousands of aquatic animals and offers thrilling activities like shark diving and cage snorkeling. Ski Dubai, located within the Mall of the Emirates, offers a unique opportunity to enjoy real snow in Dubai. You can ski, snowboard, meet penguins, and even have a snowball fight. The Kite Beach is perfect for water sports enthusiasts. You can try kite surfing, paddleboarding, or simply enjoy the sun and sand. Global Village is another must-visit, offering shopping, dining, entertainment, and cultural experiences from over 90 countries. The Dubai Dolphinarium offers fun for the whole family. You can watch dolphin and seal shows, or even swim with the dolphins. The Palm Islands are 3 artificial islands, each more impressive than the last. They are home to some of the city's most luxurious residences and hotels. Dubai's Spice Souk is a vibrant, aromatic, and sensory experience. Here, you can buy a range of spices, dried fruits, and nuts. Make sure to visit the Dubai Marina, a stunning waterfront with skyscrapers, restaurants, and a fantastic nighttime atmosphere. The Jumeirah Beach is a white sand beach that offers a spectacular view of the Burj Al Arab. It's the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sun. Experience the thrill of a lifetime with Dubai's signature desert safari adventure, offering an exhilarating blend of tradition, excitement, and breathtaking desert landscapes. Explore a world beneath the waves at Dubai's Underwater Zoo, boasting exotic marine life, thrilling encounters, and awe-inspiring underwater tunnels. Marvel at Dubai Miracle Garden, a floral paradise featuring over 50 million blooming flowers in various artistic designs, sculptures, and displays. If you like the video, please support my channel, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest uploaded videos.